Hey, this is me again. We have a Whirlpool dryer. So it has a bad start switch, and if we can push it, it's keep running. But as soon we release it, it's a stop. And once you do couple time, then even it's not a start, nothing. So to fix that issue, so we can get it's already remove few. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws, so we need to unscrew those, then we take the panel off. To do that, before you can go that, so please unplug your dryer so you're not going to get any shortage. So I will show you in a minute. Already, so I take the panel off. This is the issue. To remove that one, so we need to just those take the wire off. So when you do that, then so we take this knob off just like that, and so there's you can lift it, or you can use a flat screwdriver, just lift it up, twist it, and it's come off. So in this case, I can feel something burn, not supposed to smell like that. So to do that, so we need to replace this part. So I'm gonna put the part number on the description. So if you face with this kind of issue, so this is the problem. Doesn't matter. So most of the time Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amano, even they don't have a different start switch, so they're gonna be the issue. So to do that, we're gonna replace that one in a minute. Already, so I just put another switch, a start switch on them. So then I plug it in already. As soon, you see, as soon as we start it, we don't need to do anything. And I just take this one apart. You can see, let me take my gloves off. So it was something burn, all those kind of wiring. So in that case, I just replace it. Yeah, we just need to put those back, panel, those screw back, and that was the issue. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.